Hi guys, with another video. This is the furnace that is not working. This is the one. 500 high efficiency furnace 5000. As I don't know what's wrong with it, and I tested, tried to find the problem, but I did not find the problem yet. If you guys have any idea, any solution on this furnace, what happened is when you open the heat and there is nothing works, and only the fan, if you put the fan is working, but other than that I think nothing works. Okay, any idea, any solution, please let me know. This is the one again, this furnace. Okay, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye bye.